Hi guys, this is just those last two problems. Apparently my voice cut out on the video, so I'm going to just redo them for you here if you want to see them. So if you take x to the 2/3 to the 12th power, we're going to basically take this 12th power to both of these things. So 2/3 times 12, you're just going to multiply that. So you can think of that as 24/3, x to the 24/3. 2 times 12 still divided by 3, right? Over, and then y, this is going to be 12 times 1 is 12 over 4. I don't need to see that step from you. If you can do 2/3 of 12 in your head and 1/4 of 12 in your head, that's fine. This would be x to the 8th power over y to the 3rd power, and that's all you can do with it. Okay, and then letter B here, same thing. I would take this 1/2. Now you have a number out in front, so it's 36 to the 1/2, x to the 8th to the 1/2, and then y to the 4th to the 1/2. So there's 3 parts to this one. 36 to the 1/2 power. We'll talk about that in a second. This would be half of a -8, so x to the -4th power, and then half of 4 on bottom, y to the 2nd power. So then simplify that. 36 to the 1/2 power, that's the square root of 36, right? This would be a 2, this would be a 1. So that's 6. X to the -4th is going to move down and become x to the +4th, and then you still have your y squared. So that will be your answer.